you will need an electric yogurt maker and milk, your choice of fat content, a measuring tablespoon and a measuring glass cup, a stove, and yogurt cultures. Measure 4 cups of milk, then warm the milk to a simmer on medium heat or less. Take the milk off of the stove to cool. Bringing the milk to a simmer is an important step to do. The yogurt culture will not culture if the milk bacteria and yeast strains are present. Take temperature of the milk. The milk needs to be warm but not hot. Hot kills the culture. Look for a temperature of about 108 degrees Fahrenheit or cooler. Add your yogurt cultures. The more various yogurt strains, the better. I like to add a couple of different brands. Remember to only buy active culture yogurts to use in culturing your homemade yogurt. If you buy a fruited yogurt to culture, just use the yogurt and leave behind the sweetened fruit flavoring. I add 3 tablespoons of my yogurt culture. Mix with a whisk and pour it into your culturing container. I've used the salt and bran yogurt for decades now. A plastic culturing container came with a sultan. I like glass, so I use an old glass Ovaltine container. Find a glass jar that holds 4 cups or whatever your yogurt maker is meant for. Pour the milk and cultures into the glass container, place it in your yogurt maker, and turn it on. Notice the dial on top. I set it to the time the yogurt is done. This says 4 p.m. The yogurt takes 7 hours to culture. After the culture is done, I place the yogurt in the refrigerator immediately. I let it become cold before using it. I like to sweeten mine with jams, honey, or real maple syrup. Then I add fresh or frozen fruit. Tips: make sure your milk was brought to a simmer and make sure the milk was 108 or below. Make sure to culture in a yogurt maker, and for creamier yogurt, add dried milk. Thanks for watching. Like it and share this and have fun with it. Bon appetit!